Abusia and then so Ayokusia than I want Komobi. Any uncrankre dia edi. Titri near before. I have something to discuss with us. Now, many shada nyakono. Many shada nyefesa. Natures a meninji. Where name downloads. But I idea woho. And I made you in Ayajin and the Abaso. And then your crocodile come more about the Mormons and the papacy. And no one come money, your crocodile, you have got 3 stages. Makacho said, where name downloads. And yes, I idea a woho. Na me pese me bisa questions wo na me pese me twe ya dwene nyina so edegina so because we are seeing na ye eja because onyankopon representative for ye pope wewu na before ye so joyous make ye bi kra wo dem ye fasting so mo be appointee obibini e de no aye the next pope. Africans are thinking, Africans are hoping, Africans are praying, Africans are believing that one of their own ye nim nyame ko anema ene no ba begina pope no ana nyame ben ma ene ye pope ni ne nkrofo na nyame ben ma nso so ene ye Africa fo niama we na me pese na me no mi ani na ye dwen enti ye befa asem no e de afi the pope and his servant ye befa no first pope na wawu no ene ne nko na pope ne nko na fe ye wi ayaba from abe discuss the Mormon and the cursed children abe discuss no so na fe de twatu woko no ne aba latter day saint fo no so eho na matwa dwene gine niama so I am asking questions and I hope and believe say you benya nkofo amomo de omo chest ababontin ababe yi questions we ano e de amaye na face so mechi obibini
abusia me mamu nyina kwa ba mpacho wote menka me voice na clear obi ma me feedback or comment section ho ma hu konfa noche ma me hum ba bia so hwe me free konfa noche thank you for liking me mpacho so me voice na clear obi ma me comment na me hu why is the sound okay? Can you hear me loud and clear? Can you hear me loud and clear? But yeah. Black Mango say yes, we can hear you. Black Mango say yes, we can hear you. Gas, okay. Elvis Bodochia. But also, if I don't get your name right, please forgive me. Don't forget to keep on tap on the screen, okay? That is the culture on these platforms. The more you keep on tapping, the more it expands the algorithm, and the more you are liking. So those of you watching on YouTube, keep on liking and then share as well. We are going to have a deep conversation this evening. Yebedim komo emudo, okay? Yebedim komo emudo. And bomodena share these such conversations. Na in this world, one of the most important things in life is understanding. When you understand things around you and how things operate, you don't get lost and you don't get confused. One of the most important things I have come across, and I say one of the most important things I've come to realize in life is understanding. You know, the moment I got to understand how things operate, how things work, it helps me to relax. It helps me to just sit back and then observe. I'm glad that so far, as a Ghanaian, as an African, as a proud black man, the little knowledge that I've gathered, I've come to understand a lot of things. But the sad thing is 90% of my fellow don't understand how things operate and how things, works. So they end up being, confused, and it's a whole problem on its own. So we're going to have a deep conversation this evening. If you are not interested, I won't force you to stay here. But if you are interested and you want to also understand certain things from where I will be coming from, then you are welcome here. You are welcome. You can also go ahead and share this program. Etibesra wohwe me nyina no na wo like it. Bafo asa bafo, thank you so much. Wohwe me no na official survivor, respect bro, my Pan-African bro. In fact, you are doing a marvelous job. I mean, updating us on the continent politically, geopolitics, official survivor. You are doing a marvelous job. If you are somebody that you are interested in geopolitics, I mean the continental politics, African politics, kindly go to YouTube and search Official Survivor Media. That's all. Search for Official Survivor Media. Go to YouTube and search for Official Survivor Media, and then follow him, subscribe him, and keep the notification on. Any news, any update that touches the ground, he will give it to you. Whether it is in French or it is in English, he will give it to you. Okay. Okay, so today's conversation, and you may be come off the Pope conversation. So once you are here watching, but more than I just keep on tapping on the screen. Just let's get the likes to maybe 10,000 or 15,000 likes. I mean, let's keep on tapping. Mahu Oforimiki, or Director Oforimiki, you are doing a marvelous job as well. Thank you so much. Let's have a conversation about the Pope story, the Pope issue. And I think it's for some days or for some months now, and I say the Pope is no more. And for that matter, there will be a need to re-elect, and I said to elect a new Pope. And the funny aspect of this conversation is Africans and Ghanaians, majority of us were expecting, majority of them were expecting, this time around, it will be a black Pope. I mean, it will be a black man. I mean, a black man will be elected. So there was one man from Ghana who, his name is Bibi Texan. Sorry if I don't get his name right. Something Texan. I mean, his photos were circulating. Now the photos are trendy. His photos were circulating with the hope that he could become our next Pope. And not him alone. I think one man was also from Uganda or somewhere. So Africans were hoping that this time around, there could be a black man that will be elected as a Pope. So, unfortunately, today we just got the news that now this man on our screen is our new Pope. He's an American. So this is the new Pope. And this is the new Pope. So for your information, Apia Texan, Medase, Pope Oforimiki, thank you so much. So we got the news today that after everything, whether election or voting or whatever thing they do to elect the Pope, after all, this man is the new Pope we have in the world. And he is an American. And we have a Pope, the first American to be a Pope. He is the first American to be a Pope. Now, the reason why I'm interested in this conversation is I want to tell my fellow before something. Many of them before bumu bebre na mo high hopes. Senka bibini betima beye Pope no. Mo na me pese me ni mudi nkomo bi anwumre. I knew it will never, it won't happen. It won't happen. And even if Bibini be your Popa, a bet to say the Barack Obama be American president, before we're happy, blacks were happy. We have a black man who is the president of America. What benefit did it yield? I mean, what was the benefit from it? When Barack Obama became a president of America, what benefit did we as Africans, how did it benefit us? No, somebody should tell me. Can somebody give me a single benefit when Barack Obama became a president of America? What of it? I mean, how did it benefit Africa? Can somebody tell me something? One, he even led to the elimination of an African giant. Barack Obama, as a black man, many Africans, or the whole of Africa, we were happy. Last, we have a black man being the president of America. He ended up eliminating an African giant, as in Gaddafi. Today, he has regretted that. And then Barack Obama knew say, Otu sa anamono under his watch and sa anamono course. Eti say even pose bibini be yo Pope krana minim emfasode a bibifo benya frim minim how I be benefit ye ananse ya bibifo no sorry to say, Yadwene were former to the sense say we just want the person to be in that position for us to feel proud to say the person is in that position. Keke. Meanwhile, that position na nipa ne be wo no. Enya insusanso papa bia we so. Emfa mpaso papa bia mren. Ye dia ne say oh bibini na ye pope keke. That's all ye pen sa keke. If that is what you guys, some of you expect and some of you wish and I want to be, fine. But that also will never happen. Let me tell us the painful truth. Let me tell all of us the painful truth. The only oh my goodness. Never, we shouldn't, no black man should dream of African becoming a pope. No. What we have is hope. Tell me. Blacks, I mean before, they only hope. The closest a black man can go to that position as a pope is hope. And the hope cry is false hope. Yes, it's false hope. That is why many Africans were hoping a black man could become a pope. And at the end of the day, the black man was, no black man became a pope. It is just a hope and even a false hope. So Africans, majority of you, mumu abi before do na mo expect say bibi ni be pope no. Me papa cho bibi ni be no betima be pope. Bibi ni be hope gidie. Ai, mumu de ni hope. Mumu de no munye pope. Mumu de ni hope. Okay? Yes, mumu de no hope. Mumu de ni nye pope. Enti abribia no mo betwen mo be hope say ye hope say abi before ya brabo ye bo nyina is hope. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's have faith. Let's hope. Ye hope say that is what we are here doing. Ye dey any hope. Mun ben pope. Okay? Ghana crowd there, you guys should just ignore because you have Pope Skinny already. So Ghanaians, you are lucky. Ghanaians, Ghana, we have Pope Skinny. So we have our Pope. So don't let anybody deceive you. Ghana, we have Pope Skinny. We are good to go. Don't let Ghana, we have Pope Skinny. So it's you are done. Don't sit and think a black man can become a pope or will become a pope. Now, why are we here? Let me be honest with all of us. That fraternity, the Roman Empire, sa fraternity na omo akreti and I said that empire na omo akreti. Omo kura mu abesi ne. Omotimi abrandiama ene edaso jane na so. Omo ba no dani, omo president, any pope no. Bibini, it got nothing to do with you. Okay? Opa, a lack of education, any brainwashing, and ama Africa for madwene akwakodi that angle. Senye sa a inferiority complex. And I might be before mo pese mo nya bibini a we pope na mo de hwa mo na mo neje enya mo ade broni na kreti ono ankasa ne empire ana wa kreti to me ahodo empire nim ana ba ko yo mampani wo bibini te wo twen se wo mbeyi wo bibini ni se wo bra be ono ne mampani ana se bra be ono ne kandini ana bra be ono ne ba no dani. It won't happen. AC. Mamika bibinchiro in ewiase ye wosisi ya no. People consider, and I said the Pope is being considered as the God on earth. TMU, the Pope is being considered as the God on earth. You consider Pope and say, only nyame hwesunia and I say nyame o wasasi so. Ti that position no, enye position ketwa. Now, the question is, nyame and create and I say a that empire no this nipa ni si wana debi. The Roman Empire was not formed by God. Men kan sa na montiasie. Sa Roman me say enkoma me ni wo bedi na nwumre a little bit deeper. A very deep conversation na me no be have. Enti mesrew se wo betie na obubofu na beto akoma na me ho beye wahina wo bedwade na wontimi nya mehwede. Mesre se nka wo be kontem ende na aboa. But so why already say bia wo betie something deep and something different from what you have always been told. Most of you are moye Christopher. The ekachiremo is what is in your Bible. Some of us here, we take you to a different perspective, different angle altogether. It is a way you're interested that you can stay, you can keep on liking, you can share. Then we share ideas, we learn together. Mekasa kakra, maybe a quiet to now also what fraba soroha, now also what share also idea or knowledge with us. Or question be no bisa. That is how we do things over here. Religiously, politically, socially. That is how we do it on this platform. Intime kasa kakra na be to now also join me. So keep on being here and keep on being in touch. Thank you so much. Odumankuma bore bo ade na obo wiase na nipa timu. Wa more empire bia, or more empire bia. Okay? On create empire bia. Empires ahodo a aba bedi wiase so ko nyina eye nipa na form all these empires. Okay? Empires ahodo a aba bedi wiase so centuries, years ago nyina eye nipa and they create all these empires edidi wiase so. Na Roman Empire na empire baako a wadi mu ntintimaya gina ne nanso na ewiase ko nanimu bia na obrande ne ho na ode ne ho hye wiase ne ko na eko nanimu. Enti enei no bebre na hu ne se agija like anoa brass, but still they are still intact. Enei bibini abibifo hope say omubenya bibini amana kwa koda sa empire nyano, which will never happen. Odomankuma na obo wiase na yaba begum na yetimu no. Religion ahodo a wasase so aye practicing nyina ebie ne wa odomankuma na hyehye si wo se nipa de mede si ho ni enti no mundi so na mo fantana asase so odomankuma ni nim ebia ho hwe ti de meka kire wo no. Logically, commonsensically tina Abraham Ben Moshe edi ni teachings ne ba no or two teachings ni di say this is common sense. This is common sense. Commonsensically no wotena se na no mete na branche bia se bi onu so wabodam nam tentan no so mete ya so onu so begu common sense family na me se mo de kese mo content na mo message san na to mo ne nkwase asem I don't blame you. Oka obenya manfo amatie wo ahye alike amodi wadwumbe se oka nyansasem adwen na da wutirim no fact use it common, I mean in a common analysis, use it in a common choices, use it in a basic logic way. No, we see me collapse that theory way. How can you collapse this theory? Can somebody collapse common sense? Is common sense a building? Is common sense a structure? Is common sense a fraternity? Is common sense an association that you have to register and be paying dues, and for that matter, you will collapse that? Get certain understanding and know how to make right corrections, right choices, know how to choose right from wrong, and then make basic decisions positively that will impact your life and others positively, and don't allow yourself to be deceived and don't allow yourself to be cheated. This common sense way, with your megu common sense. It's any din I'm saying one red. Monom red na de atomo ne nkwasasem. Onom red betena camera na chia na ato ne nkwasasem ti no megu common sense. Common sense ade egu no. Ade da wutirim. Enti de nipa ne ka kire wa ne say nema bi wo ho no mo a wo de dwene ho yie ansa na wo make decision. Simple as ABC o se megu sa ade we. Wo be da gu sa ade we. We yegu no. Yemfa sa bodam ni na sem nto nche ne enko eni. Me say obo ade na obo wiase bo mu nyama nyina no. Wambo sumbia wasasi so. Asoma hodo a ewo wiase mu ni mu nipa practice nyina eye nipa na hyehye ni nyina. Eno nti ne yeni osom ba ko no. In another explanation, maminka sa asem we. Eye nipa ene bo nyame ewo nipa ne su ene ne seso. No obo sa nyame ni wi a, wa masa nyame ni din. No o masa nyame ni din wi a, ono a ahyehye na kwan obefa so asom sa nyame no. Tie me. Eye nipa enyame ahodo a wa bete wasase so a wa bete omudi nyina. Eye nipa ne bo sa nyame ni nyina. Ana nipa toto sa nyame ni din. Ana nipa ankasa de hyehye ya omopese omode som sa nyame no, esom sa nyame no. Enti ye ni nyame din baako. Ene ye ni nyame baako wasase no so. Baabia afo ne omanyame. Ana ye ni osom baako penso wasase no so. Asom ne ye bebre. Enti common sense. Ye nyintum se nyame baako pe ne bo wiase baako. Obo osoro bo asase ne yatim. Ana wabo nipa nokore. Nipa obo ye. Obi enu an ensai miensa. Ye nyina ensai mienu. Yetie baako. Ye nan ye mienu. Ye nyina features ye pe. Moja ne wo ye mu. Se nyame we pese ode osom bi si sa asase ne so ma ye na ye nyina di sa asom ne chi a. Ede ne si sa nyame ne kwan se ontimi ma osom ne nya osom baako pe. Enye osom baako pe. Na ye nyina ye ndi sa asom ne chi emfa nko na henwam. Ade ntira ade ne si sa nyame ne kwan. E wo se nyame baako. Wabo wiase baako. Na wabo nipa gum. E wo se wutimi bo osom baako pe ana wo create ana se wo hyehye osom baako pe. Edi si ho. Enti ke nyina ye ba wiase na nko osom e wo wiase pe eye muslimi som. Na ke nyina agya tum se oh okay. Se ye be pie wiase ye wia baako pe ne bo ye nyina. Epo baako pe na se bi ye nyina epo ne da ho akakraka atira afa ba bia ye nyina nim epo baako ya. Asase ne no ani, ewiem ho ne no ani. Osom nso ye de kosa nyame ne ho no som no ye baako pe eno ne Islam. Enwoma nyame no anam nipa so ahyehye anase nyame ne de ama nipa se momfa sa nwoma we so emfa nsua de emfa mbra mahenwa mu no so ye baako pe Quran asa eno no obi aka kire me se mfiri nyame ameka sa oboa efiri nyame because wiase nyina osom ne ye baako pe Islam wiase nyina nwoma ne ye baako pe Quran ene nyame no obo wiase bo nipa gu mu no ono de saa de we adua ha se ye nyina yemfa so mbra ne nchen wa mfa saa de no so ufa ba be fufuro a nyame ne mbo saa de no wa bo baako pese yemfa hambra ha. But this is the case ye ni osom baako. Ye wo Christianity, ye wo Islam, Hinduism wo, Shintoism wo, mention them, Buddhism wo, Judaism wo num, Hare Krishna, mention them bebre. Erekamia is a continent bi a obeko bia no. There are so many forms of belief system. Ewo honum. And when I metena se aka se enyo obodo boade no de this house we dua asase no so there be ototrobo nsu. The active force behind creation knows nothing about religion, knows nothing about Christianity, knows nothing about Islam, knows nothing about any forms of religion. Nemom eyemu nipa no a mo come to realization na mo ani afi na mo hu se eniema atwa ye ho hia eye asase epu kwaye emumwa ewiase die entimi nkase eno ane bae ene sa ne tie de a kwa be ne befa so de anidie ama bibia yesusu se no na ye ewiase no. This is how humans started creating God in their image. I'm speaking something to somebody this evening. This is how humans started creating gods in their images. Nipa nkasa ne started realizing say tabi we are seeing so we are sick kakra niame wom wow ene ebe free baby anase ebe free obi ana ebe free bibi. But this is the case. We don't see that. We don't see that creator. Nobody has seen the creator before. Nobody knows the whereabouts of the creator. Nobody has any idea of the creator. The only thing we know is we are alive and we are living. 80 man out of curiosity, out of infifimu, the curiosity of human landed us here. And then we started creating gods in our own image. So Africans started putting up their own way to attribute respect to the creator of the universe, Africans started putting up their own way. And even in Africans, every tribe has their own way of creating or building up a concept or coming up with a way to attribute respect to the creator of the universe. In the verse say, yeah, the friend Mawu, Sogbo Lisa, God the male and the God the female. Mawu, Sogbo Lisa, God the male and God the female. TMO in ever say, yeah, friend, yeah, no Mawu, Sogbo Lisa. Omu ni so omu ye nipa. Na omu nipa na omu ye nipa mi no ba ne bema. Sa ne tie na so omu di susuye bi si wo a creating nyame bi in their image a. Omu timi creating nyame no in one image pen ka say nyame ne ye bema nko ada bi. It in ever Mawu Sogbo Lisa ne ye God the male and God the female. Both energies, female and male, masculine and feminine. Akana nasa asante fonse say okay yenso ye be form ye hwe de na mum ye be friend no twedi ampon kwame asase ya omo nso de no no eto aso sa okon kanfo nso a omo to friend ata na numo bebre ebibifo nkwam no no abrofo no nso wo mo de Indians wo mo de oko India omo nso Hare Krishna Saraswati gang, mention them. They have their gods. So many gods over there. Oko the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, and Arab for no so. Almost say the Islam no. Iti mo creatia, mo create mo way to pay tribute to the creator of the universe. No, be anim no na. No more infuse it into your culture, your tradition. A way and a life of people practice so many years or so many times becomes their tradition. Culture. How people lived, the way and lifestyle of people that they've practiced for so many years becomes their culture, becomes their tradition. Timu create mo so mo kwan mo befa so pay tribute to the Most High now be anim na no more infuse it into your way of living. Na be your tradition, mo culture, mo practices. May build you free baby do be see baby. Are you here? Are you listening to me? Have you shared this video? You know, we are confused. And I don't blame us because of how we were brought up. You know, after colonization, I be completely from head to toe. After colonization, Joshua Agbe Masi, thank you for sharing, Joshua. My say Joshua Agbe Masi Ashe. Joshua, thank you very much for sharing. I appreciate it. These are the knowledges and these are the educations that needs to be spread out for people to understand certain things. But it's unfortunate people are interested in sharing. Anyway, so thank you for sharing. Okay. Insightful duet. I won't say insightful, so I share. Insightful duet. Thank you for sharing, bro. I see you. Sir, dear Millicent, I see you are a wise man. Thank you so much, my dear. Numo Woko, greetings, dear. Numo, you are welcome. Numo, I see you. Devino Spencer and so I share. Devino, thank you very much for sharing. Keep on sharing and keep on liking the video. And then no matter me person me breaking nyama down my nyantias. Ya me share my video and I say me can say one of the most important things in life is understanding. We lack understanding, so we always get confused. We are easily to be confused. We are easily to be deceived because me of hey, you can never deceive me in any way because one of the most important thing and I say one of the most thank you very much for the gift. I appreciate it. One of the most important thing I mentioned, Brabwasi. Now me are very curious about apply this kind of religion and this kind of God and this kind of nyame and how it operates in our society. That was I just wanted to understand things. Religion, God, belief, worshiping of God, and how they are operating and doing things in our society. No, I was like, really? Me kwa sorry way, na makwa sorry way, na makwa sorry way, na makwa sorry be 10. We na mun say, there be ade ni nyesi na tie. Ade na nkasa na kwan ni. out of ignorance and selfishness. And at the matrix now, you're building a share matrix in you will either have no choice than to also go into that industry and go and cash out. Said the mayor obedi because man must survive. So 99% of the pastors in that industry knows very well, say, this thing we are doing is not what the people think it is, but we have no option. We have to do it this way because we have to survive. I'm telling somebody something. Man created God in his image. I will never be ungrateful to Avram Ben Moshe. He energized my thinking. He rekindled my thinking, and then it took away fear. And then I started understanding things, and I started learning, and I'm where I am today. And the massive thanks to Nana Yebia Fujana. He's my spiritual godfather. And he has also helped me, he has also enlightened me to understand life and human living. Ankasa. Enti, Misramu, mumayam padishia, na yente niyamase. Yes, sir. When imbra umosono, no ubia chewari. Ontutwa ungu plate muso, ontutwa ungu silver, ontutwa ungu that the same muso worry. But obebi wabra unim se worry, so no worry. We twa usabe. Me kano krachire nipa. Eni, the empesa nipa ti ase in this video ne say, the ya babenya pope dibre. The ya babenya pope position like a pope. Eni baku near the bakwa babesi anan. Baku near the bakwa babesi anan. Me pa ucho bibini you any free sadie so. Na wo de ya wo te Roman Catholic kura ye nkwato ne nkwaso mo ba ha sei ebe bia sadie no wa ha sei na ma wo te Roman Catholic. Ena ma wo te bibi e friend Roman Empire na say Roman. Ena wo nam so na wadwen ye say wo ko Roman sorry ntino. Wakwa akodu ba bia wo say wo ma obe pop skinny. Senya nkwato ene nkwasum ena sa nkrofuko we ya empire we ya bae bedi mu akotene ebeduedua sa wo mo asore no de ya Roman Catholic kwa be pi Africa this missionaries ya wo mo an e sa bae sa so no e ba ha sei o mo an sa de beduedua mumu for business purposes na mo sa asore na mo sa muhuska na mo de ko Vatican Roman Empire no sika wo mo wono eye mumu sika ne hia omo obise insight for say they don't know the Romans are the barbarians. Wo Roman na wo kobi na wo di akire na wo se me ye Roman Catholic ni me ko Roman som no bisa wo se eye den na Roman no ebe pi Africa ha nyame na disi Africa ha nyame na bia na ha sei da bi nkrofuko abrofo na de ba ha sei na omode ba den na omode ba kwan ben so na nam and the name Roman Empire na say Roman Catholic na ewa Africa no na djuma wa Africa na ne sei musika na ya ji afiri mu ho na meduru ho mu musika ne mu contributions amu beye say slavery no eto atwa entimi emechim mfa mu nkobelde ye man biem da bi but musika ne mu kakra na mu bre wa ha ne de wo se mutimi contribute wa na mode boa na ye de nyina cost stop ho na asore no etimeje. The church is the richest institution on this planet. If you don't know, Google it, you find it. The church is the richest institution on this planet. Now, me pesa winya the fundamentals say osum bi e wa asase su bia nipa na kriti ye. Nyame ahodo a mudi akira mosum ni nyina nipa na kriti sa nyame no. Man created God in his image. God didn't create man in his image. Nobody knows God. Nobody knows my friend the God of Krana, it is limited. Nobody knows the creator or the inventor or the whoever brought us here or created this here. Nobody knows him or her or it. So yeah him, so yeah her, so yeah it, So I am frama, so yes, nobody knows that thing, that active force, whatever it is, nobody knows it. But it is out of human curiosity. And a young Kasaya create so many deities or so many gods. And they create so many religions. And they create so many empires. Now, all these empires, all these fraternities were built by humans to control the masses of the day. They were built by humans to control the masses of the day. Omo build this associations we ni fraternities we ni empires we nyina say be ya ye betimi edi nipa so. Eye nipa ni di nipa so. Ye betimi di nipa so. Ebi before mo nso mo de ni de hin. Mo nso mo empire ni de hin. Ye. Mo nso mo empire wen. Why has it got to do say everything? It was say bibini abri now teaching high priest Kasembi. Teaching high priest, thank you very much. I don't know if you are watching me. Nufialaga maufemo koblano nyibe. Teaching high priest, many of you know him. Now meneno be interview one of these days about this particular issue. Now Kasembi or say lack of knowledge my people perish na ye kano. There be a lack of self-knowledge, my people perish. Nimdia me mind into obebre, and yen say nimdia me mind. Yes, it's not wrong, but the deep one is lack of self-knowledge. We don't know ourselves. That is why we are perishing. And then we are saying na yedruno. Bibini be wune ho say osombo. Bibini be wune ho say I mean, we are very important. I just say bruni. Appointed and I just a bruni, warden and I just a bruni, abonabaso. Are you getting my point? Say bibini be wone ho say osombo asaseneso, odi mu asaseneso, oyenipa odi mu na osombo no important. I just a bruni a validating and I just a bruni amanada abodi and I just a bruni appointed and I just a bruni amana sa entitlement na sana bibini who say nso me nipa me dimu me important me valuable me reliable. Who told you? It is out of lack of self-knowledge. We don't know ourselves. We don't know whom we are. That is why we are where we are today. Entiene yadwini say yentimi mbu ye man without them. Sana yadwini bibini dwene say without kwatibroni yentimi mbu ye man yentimi mbewode ye man. That is what San Yadriye. Yadriye say without kwesi bruni no sebio yentimi nkonkan wa brabum. Yadriye say without kwesi bruni som, without kwesi bruni kasa, without kwesi bruni education no yentimi educate ye ho. Sana meno kasa sana ekoso in Africa. Yan kasa yenni education system bia yebetima kasa this education system is created by Africans for Africa for the development of Africa. No. We don't have anything like that. Said this education system is for Nana Ibrahim Traore building something like that. And then uko Burkina Faso was shining kete say yamfa. Is it the Mampusi or is it one of their popular language in Burkina Faso? Was shakete say yamfa no ena enye the national language the yamfa no na educate you and no change the face of education. The engine, anything acquire European and Europeanized, no, or changing Amana Africa. Entienne, that judge for a fita bina, or Mudibutu Butino, Ibrahim Traore, a cancel a war. Burkina Faso said no, Sang and Yamani Yinaye and Kwasumu, Kwayomu, a mentality na, Akaimu, Yetrimo Bepemone, Yakwatana court, I could be a Samoa. And if I try SS, you have first I be fit and butueti, I don't just say a lawyer for. And connected, and another diasem, and another qua him fear tenacity diasem, tenasem should diasem, my tension and neighbor. Nobody be to be obuti. Nobody be katakata obuti. And a then I could do pempenswa. Be benin timin tenacity. And any young timin diasem among them and find solutions. This or dressing look to say Kwasi Bruni, Kotam ko to share. Satan bibi di butu coat no so ta Satan bibi di butu che no so. Wonim de enta kwati broni hye coat. Ne ho awo e wo ho ene se bio awo nti no wo hye coat ne sa na tade ne doso wo no ho sa na eboa no ma ne time chi awo no. Wu bibini o hye wa ye wo man mu se chaba emframa awia enti wo be hye bibi a hye bibi a simple hata wo betima ka wo baby. Ukoto go say ya ema no ntoma no mo di twa wo mase no ma sataje aguso no mo kom baby. Wo ka se wo we de ebepa empata. Tight. Uba yan kasa ye Ghana ase kura na in ye batakari a ye hye. Wo hye batakari a. Pese de mframa ne nam wa motuom ne mframa ne nam. Free bibini mpe no bibini ntimi mbrande no emfa nhye na education system mu emfa mo ne bra yeso okotam coat hye mwa no ho ye kumfanko tombio. Everybody yakopon hey before ye kwan wa o ye kwan no wa Bibini lose self. Bibini is not having a confidence in themselves. And they only unia bibini ewo Africa, ewo Ghana. Na mu din komo. Na wo kan brofo na wuti whether grammar or literature or maybe preposition bi anasa wo mistake bi a. Enya asem na wo kan no na wo pese ote ase no na adwene beko ho. Brofo na waka na wati no because na adwene mu no utimi ka kwasi broni kasa wosire kire se wo ye nipa won so wudi mu a wonim nyansa eye abodama dwene. Me da say thank you very much for the heart. DK, thank you so much. I appreciate. Kwasi broni ene de ne kasa ana ono de akekere ne man. Kire mo man ba ko a wa develop wa asase so a odi obi kasa na a develop one man. Kire me ba ko pe. O man we dey we develop na develop ye. Odi o man fufuro bi so kasa ene dey develop. There be. Ene na won develop we. Enti dia me pese me chikama ni kosi an say Bibini does not know himself, does not know how valuable he is, does not know how precious he is. So he has lost himself and he always wants Kwesi Broni to validate or to, prove his value. Ye pesa brofo ne prove your value. And then, we a footballer. Na se bio, o say obi say Canada, please. Na say Canada, ma brofo. Canada in America for na in for. On say Canada ya brofo. Canada in America for. Anyway, and we a footballer na ubobo Ghana. Na say what ya meto wa nkwa buruchira. Wa afọ beka kire say wo kwa champagne wa mobra ubobo okra wa ntima nkwa buruchiri. Edi entra because yenso agi atum enti mi build ye soccer no ye football industry no enti mi invest enti mi build e ma ne nye fe e ma ne nye konosa e ma ne nye endimu e ma ye nye proud say ye betena ifie ni abo ifie de abiribia no ye de no fechere with the mentality of preparing you to go and sell you out there. And then you quire a first to reach out to, and as a quire a first to pay respect or attribute to the creator of the universe, and as to the active force behind creation. Bibinia to only the actually. Kwasi broni wonhu nyame da, wonhia nyame da, onim nyame ba bia. But watimia afom a penti image na kire wa beka kire say oh nyame no ye broni ni trinyi gu no hu se ku ha bi so omo a almost na sie se omo wu na omo wu yo no mo call heaven na omo call heaven no omo hu abofo na omo hu abofo le de omo call heaven be bi so omo se abofo na mu om na omo ye kala be ya obeka se no efita broni obeka je se o na ni trinyi gu no mo call heaven ho no kala be ni de decorate heaven ho obeka je se o na e ba bia efita ba bia e white. Mumudu do a monso da yehu Jesus Christ in mudaye no. Mu Jesus na o de ahe. Nye de o hwe no movie ni mu na. Ka kire me. Mumudu do na mu hwe movie a mu Jesus Christ in the movies no. enye de mu hu no enye mumu dodo na amada amaso dae a mo say Jesus apie me dae mu enye de mahu Jesus wo me dae mu Jesus no de na mu hu ye hu Jesus tuntum nyuma wo ko say the alliance hu Jesus tuntum dabi Jesus me maso dae hu sa Jesus no pe e wo me dae mu movie mu de na eno a kwasi bruni nso afom ne de ano no so de bo ne bra wo nananom amfom yi obia am brande na nkyere wiase no but na wo nananom nso wo kwan na omo nso fa so de obu na ni de ma de omo nso se on ne bo wiase bo omo niama no na omo nso ye bi. Your ancestors were also paying tribute and respect to the creator they don't know, but they assume. Your ancestors, your forefathers created their own way to pay homage, to pay respect to this Almighty that nobody knows. But because of brainwashing and because of slavery, since slavery came into our living, after slavery, we throw aside everything as we throw aside our original identity, we threw away our true self, and then we picked the fake self of us, and we are following the fake self. Once one another kwanya, no one so fast to create or so fast to pay homage, pay respect to the creator. No, they also had their own way. But the nekwasi bruni pen. We had so many empires in Africa. We have so many empires in Africa as well. Yensu ya were empires. Yensu ya was so many empires. You know, one thing I love about the Ashantis or the Akans, however, me can move better here. Anyhow, omokura their chieftaincy mu up to date. Anyhow, omuda su kura otumfom as nyamekese. He is their pope. Asantini bien wati baby can say ya me appointee. We president of the country Ghana free wa. Even to the extent so more count to the point is so otumfo no kwado they value him more than the president. Me chwa de nesi bibi so. President ya brofo na this our president sem na ba o. Asantefo value otumfo more than the president. Because before the formation of nations and countries, and before the introduction of democracy and voting to elect somebody to become a president, there were a governance system. There were a way and the people were being governed. That was our traditional, our chiefs, our chieftaincy, ahinie, ahemfo. We had our own governance system before the introduction of democracy and politics and electing a president. We had it already. Abrofono, menu say, uko intilia, they have a president too, and as a prime minister, but still they hold on to the empire, Roman Empire. They hold on to it, and they still hold on to the Pope, and they value him even as the world God. Bibini devalue ne ho. Ami ombuni bibia watu ni empires ahodo nyina atwene, watu na hinie bebiri atwene, watu ni chieftains bebiri atwene, bebiri wombuni hene, ubisa no hene kwa din disen ya wonim, pero obi koye ne de pe, oso wo ye hwehwe animu, wo kyere mo ho dodo. Eno ne ade baako a bebiri na mpem asem sadenti na wo de e ba asantefo asem a asa wo ka bi ma asantefo, asa wo ye bias to asantefo, asa wo ka enyeze because metena Ashanti region asa wo ma Ashanti region ntia o. It is simply because they have still hold on to what their ancestors and what their forefathers left. They are still hold on to it, and they are branding it, and they are putting it out there. But what to what they actually, you don't value yours, you don't respect yours, you are not even proud of yours. It is obi a proud of Nidia. Me mama ni nko bring ko kase wo ye hwehwe ni mu no ye me ye hwehwe da bi me nyesa. Yes na me ya physical demon. Me of am tell Abrofo abrande omo religion, abrande omo empire. Amane omo nya empire no ne president, empire no ne kandi ne efe ne pope. Se ne se kwasi broni amfa bibini amana amaye pope a enhame. Mini problem. Me emfa me ho. Because minim sa ade no nye ma ade. Ade no ene mini kaka. Ade no ene mini sawoso. Mini ho hwe. Wo mo na wo mahyehyɛ wo mo ahenie. Anu wo mo anya wo mo ade no mo fa. Anu wo mo die. In confirm me no ko asabi okrokro he won ka bi. Royal Crew Entertainment, Daddy, you're welcome. Thank you very much for sharing. Yes, we had so many empires in Africa. We had so many, we had so many greater and that's a great empires in Africa. Nanka yensu yebetimi hold on to these empires. Nanka yensu yedi obro na ni die ama the leaders of these empires. What do you say any empires be? And then we have our tribes. Various ethnic groups or tribes that we have across Africa. We have across Ghana. That is your natural root. You can never take it away. We catch it out. O tribe or film. That is your origin. You can never. There is no way I met me. I can say I'm not an Ewe. It is a lie. Whether I like it or not, I am an Ewe. That is my natural root. I am an Ewe. Iti me kominchi na makofie na makobisa omo yefrehe eni be dua ha na o maka kire me. Ekwan ben na ye nana no ba na omo fa so e de obu na ni die ma obo ade na obo wiase bo mu niama no na o ma kire me. Me se ne me kwan no de me fa so no. Minim Abraham, minim Jacob, Yohani, Matthew, Isaiah, minim omumu bia obabia, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, minim no kwan mfa no. Allah, Muhammad, Mecca, Saudi Arabia, minim ho hwe. Me de ne say, if he fa na be dua, ni aka kire me. That kire me minchi. Okay. Me tribe na me so me be pie mu no ehemfo ne ba me tribe no mu a omo so be ye anwanwane ma wo mu a omo so be ye niam aboa ma tribe no timi kirae bedrum pempen so aba beduri no ma bobidi togbe chali togbe we obebo togbe we na no me ne papa ko togo na me na generations ago omo betena togo ansa na ebe didi so abepie Ghana me ko minchi ko back kuti abakosem kuti minchi enti the person wunya ntase ne say we have our identity, we have something, we are on our own, but enu yampa disienti no yayira ene yakoto obi diem ena ye person nipa no gye no ne ofa ye ntse say we are one of him or her. It will never happen. It will never happen. Kwesi abi bibini te wo pese kwesi broni emano like ehwahwa no na kwesi broni ejeje ne so na kwesi broni ne ekire se oni bibini ne ye pe nsida tabi emfasa hye otirimu da eti se du bebi na se bibifo ni bi ye na abrofo ye racism na omo ye racist na omo ye yimu. Mini problem with that. So offer them to kwanko broni man bi so. Na kwesi broni e disrespect me in any way. Mini ni nkokon to kwanko di chim dabi. Me na matu kwan aba ne krom. Ana onu no hu ne say onu no e superior than me. Ana onu no o disrespect me. Meka manu atum. Me ba mi kromu a wono so ba me ma na hu so aba mi so mi diem na mom se me wo mi krom na mama ono ne firi ne krom aba mi krom na aba be disrespect me de e be chi pokra e de be chi but no because say bi o yenya tibonko so leaders enya leaders a omo yen kwasiampafo. I'm talking of our political leaders, some of our traditional leaders. Leaders are said you three so omo konso awonti. Enei won montena sra yen hwehan ama abrofo mi ba ye bebi mam ha. Be fa yen de fan kwan ahodo a entwa yie so. Disrespect yen wa kwanuasa ahodo bebre so. Ewie fa dodode e wa ha sa de go back. Mpanifo na amana basa. Senya ni sa it doesn't make sense. Nyansa bia nim enso yempanifo na amana basa. Timimblemu kwasi buroni wo kwan bia so. Ye na ye devalue ye ho ana amana du sam pempenso no. Yanso ye wade. We had something. Yanso ye dia ne senke ye be kora de ye woni ye. Pope wetu mi be na pope we wa. Etu pesa o kire me say ye ni priest ahodo mu Africa na say wo Ghana ha o mu ni sa tumi ni bi. Tumi be na pope wo. Amcho mi bo. The position as a pope no. I mean, ne wan waso de ne de a. Ne so na so ko ne de a. Roman Empire and a creative empire way, a creative position way. And on there two trim say, Obasa siswa, Yankopon badu dani Papa we, Obasa siswa, on the Yame on earth, Obasa siswa, Yaminiwa, Pope we, and the bed overall boss of the planet. Wabwa, a overall boss of honor and any mindful. Yansu Africans, Yansu be before. Yansu ye betimi do bu ne ani die ama yansu ye priest ahodo a omonso de da ya no na ya ma omonso aye yansu ye nyamenom a representative on this earth. Yansu ye wo yansu ye priest ahodo a yansu ye betimi do bu ne ani die ama omu ni aka se monso mo ne yansu nyame ahodo a yansu ye som wo yansu ye bi mem ha sei no mo ne wo mo ekandifo ne ya value yansu ye de ti se broni am be fa ye de ankoda ne de ano a ye ni problem on tan de baby onya ne de yeso ye ntan baby ye nye de be kwasi bibini ato ne de atwene ano no esum kwasi broni de na odi akire na odi kwasi broni de na chi no o sa pese kwasi broni no efa ono no so ade ne be leader se be di animu de bi asori bi ni ha wa Africa ha the headquarters wa bruchira ombema wo bibini oba beda no hoda. And for your information, all the churches na wo Africa ha say no and sorry na wo bibimam ha say nyina no and headquarters wa bruchiri no mo so mfaso ma o mo ye ba ko pe sika na mo bejeje at the end of the day ebeba honom. Okay, a church like Roman sika mo be contribute on the continent Africa nyina be ko Vatican, be ko Italy, be ko Rome, be ko a church like Presby, Methodist, Anglican sika mo be jeje nyina be ko England. Ti se mo pe bibia ye wa ha yesa mo tworo ho nkrata akọ sika ni nyina akọ a ya pone kakra de aman mo se mo nyinkwa e de mpesa mo de ye mo hia wo sa kuro num nyina ne se mo jiji sika de ba na enso ti o me twa dwena si bibi so sa ensori ahodo a edi kan be ba ye those old churches no Roman, Anglican, Methodist, those old churches no edi kan be ba ye no na emusika nyina na ekọ headquarters e wa Accra na pa ekọ abrochire of not only Roman, all the churches created by our masters. Me that say, and sorry, I would work a war a D can be make up a some such. And sorry, I would do a war a D can be by ya. A muna yenina free ye mamenum yen and anum cocobia I lay Yabinian one man churches be brino. Those old churches, no. Sika bebas answering muninano at the end of the year. End of the month, the Sikani in our headquarters. Saa nsɔre no headquarters nyinaa nso wɔ aburokyire. Saa nsɔre no headquarters ɛwɔ aburokyire. Wonim adwuma asɔre no bɛyɛ wɔ Africa. Wonim the role a asɔre no bɛ play in slavery. Okay, ma mefa wo nkɔ back kakra sa na me do aba bɛsi deɛ mepɛ sɛ mede osi so sisi a. In the olden times a wɔn baeɛ a na mpɛ sɛ nkwasom no kɔ so no. Deɛ ma ebinom kɔ nkɔnsɔnkɔnsɔn mu ɛnɛ ebinom kɔ yɛde binom gu chains mu a yɛde bu binom tete binom no. Mo a mo ho ɔdene a mo betumi a resist no. Mo na yɛde force ɛkye mo ɛde nkɔnsɔnkɔnsɔn gu mo nsa ne mo nan. Ɛde mo travel from far. Ɛbɛfa nsuo so. Ɛde mo kɔ kwasi buroni man mu kɔ building ne man. Na mom the generation nketewa na ɛba no deɛ yɛntimi ntwe wɔn mfo wɔn nkɔ. Deɛ ɛbɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛbɛsɛe adwene no. Yɛbɛti adwene no firi their true self. Tiemi o yɛbɛyi adwene no firi their true self. Na yɛ implant an inferior self in them. Enti ɛbrɛ bi bɛba ma yɛbɛgya wɔn hɔ yɛbɛkɔ, but they will be what we want them to be. Ekasem kyerɛ nipa ne. Mahu sɛ nyumo wɔkɔ sɛ please tap. Tiemi ye. Nkwasom no ɛbrɛ no. Wɔn a wo ho ɔdene. Ye papa nom te sɛ ne anka wɔn a wo ho ɔdene na ko betumi a resist betumi akɔ no. Mo no ye the force bɛkyekye mo bi no. Mmarima no a mo ho ɔdene, mmaa no a mo ho ɔdene no. Ye the force bɛkyekye mo. Ne yɛde mo agu kɔnsɔnkɔnsɔn mu. Yɛde bi ato mo nan ne mo nsa. Ne yɛde mo abɛsi na akɔfa nsuo no so de mo akɔ. Yɛde mo kɔ amanɔne. Ne yɛde mo akɔ akɔyɛ adwumade ne de abuild amanɔne. Adwuma nso yɛde dodoɔ na akɔyɛ ɛɛku adwuma. Okay. Now, mmaa ne nkwadaa ne wɔn a isu a wɔba generation no kwan bɛn na yɛde wɔn bɛfa so. Wɔn no ɛyire so paa so ɛbrɛ bi bɛba bɛduru ama. Sɛdeɛ yɛde by force okyi mpanyifoɔ no ne mmeranteɛ ne kɔ no. Ɛntoa so saa enti no wɔn no wɔ sɛ adwene na ɛda wɔn tiri mu nei na ɛyɛ their true self no. Yɛgya wɔn na sɛ wɔn de adwene no enyini a wɔn bɛba bɛ resist sɛdeɛ mpanyifoɔ na ɛwɔ hɔ de ne resist no. Ti deɛ ɛbɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛbɛyi saa their true self adwene no firi wɔn mu. Na yɛde inferior adwene ato wɔn tiri mu. Ni nyinaa yɛ brainwashing, miseducating and programming. Na yɛde ato wɔn tiri mu. Enti wɔn nyini no wɔnyini sɛ nipa all right, but onye nipa no nam hɔ saa no wɔne aboa. Meka aboa kora na asɛ madi mmoa na tem. Na no pani bi ma me wɔ ne wɔ ha sofa. Onim na sɛ ode yɛn kwasi asɛm a yɛyɛ wɔ ha sɛ compare mmoa me no enkɔ no yie kora. De papa no yɛ no kora. Enti meka sɛ aboa kora na madidi mmoa na tem. Obenyini all right. But adwene na ɛyɛ the central processing unit na ɛnna be control body ni nyinaa ne deɛ. Adwene ne deɛ enyini da ebisa. Ɛnna ma almost 30 these churches in Africa, our communities, our societies, there were nothing like church. There was nothing like yemkoshia wa ha. No obi mfa nwoma bi mbegina yanim. Na o mekire yen se nyame bi te baabi. Ono ne bo osoro ne asase. Na yento nwom. Na ye wia ya to collection. Na yan kan kire ye se maame bi wo brantie bi some time ago. Sa brantie no wo ba asase no so no. Ya bo no che ne kuo no. Na owu ye no osore ye no okọ wate baabi. Ye ha say in our society na nim sa. Ye ha say no. De na ye de educate ye eye. Wo nana ono enenam ne so ma wo papa no maame awo no. Ye beka ne ho asem a kire wo. ne akyerɛ wo nneɛma a ɔyɛɛyɛ ne mmɔden bɔ a ɔbɔɔyɛ na wo papa akyerɛ wo deɛ wo papa no nso baa asase so deɛ ɔno nso afa mu na ɔde aguru mi wama wanyini nti wonyini no wonim wo nana afei nso wonim wo papa na wonim deɛ wo papa ɛyɛ na deɛ wo papa ɛyɛ no nso ɔde bɛtetew nti wonyini no na wowɔ experience of your ancestors and say wonim the history of where you are coming from, your ancestors, and where you are living now, and how you have to be responsible in life. Wonyini now we are aware. Hey. We were educating ourselves already. We had education. Africans. So we can't say abrofo buy in society no more education buy. It is a lie. The abrofo de buy in children in school, any education. In school. Ye nana no nana time no nana in proper education. Nadakro, I think say we will have that topic. Education proper. That the one day you better have that topic. Eti sound sorry we no. One more do more especially the Roman Catholic no. One more do more and say, ye Danny or Marjorie. Ye starting programming woman. Near Momun say, we are their masters on this earth. Omumbra omuhwase. Atetia omuna mua ne yede omu fa mua. Omu komuno. Nyame do omu. To omumbra omuhwase. Na so omu empo along the line so omu abrante bia ba asase no so. Na wanwane kɔ. Na ono no nwane na wanwane kɔ no. Okwa kosiesie baabi ama omu. To ba before makɔ. So this is how they started, the missionaries started. And then they were educating, rewashing. Enti efie baako a ebia enwumre enka ye nana abrewa o fie honom a watena asase no so acha one generation of our family bear 3 or 4 of the generation no edu enwumre bia na ye nana na frɛ ye nkwala na afi na ye ba e wo fie honom na oka abakosem kyerɛ ye na oka nyankonsem kyerɛ ye na obie ya dwene mu edi akasako ahodoɔ edi anwensɛm ahodoɔ na yebisa nana questions na o my answers no na edu anwumre bia na yabogya furuma na yakotena sahe nana ne nkyɛn na ne to anasesɛm na o my nsɛm a bema ya critical thinkers o sa anasesɛm ye stories a ye nana nom ne fremu ye critical ya o tie sa story na wi a afi na afi wadwene mu dɔ na ema wo ye critical thinker na o bisa questions. That was the certain way back edu anwumre a ye abrewa wo fie na akokoro wo fie kotena se na ebisa no questions na ono so ka history kyerɛ ye omo de nwumre sorry be collapse that system no edu anwumre a afi yes ye kwa nwumre sorry ye kwa akohia wo dan bim na obi the bible abegina yanim abeke ka Abraham Jacob abodamfo bi baabifo na nanom omawuko asɛm o na ono no beka no na kyerɛ me amefiri kotokoli a memete asape bia na se hase a ye be so ye bi wo se me bisa me nana efo ganyo ho abakosɛm ne ka kyerɛ me no rade yankopo. Are you here? Are you guys listening to me? No, are you guys listening to me? Rasmi, are you here? Are you guys listening to me? Move follow conversation in here. Edu anwumre a mo bebre se mo beto ye. Mo bebre mo beto ye. Anwumre na nyina ya fa yakonya na yakotena ye na yakotena baabi. Na ye nana ebehia na pani owo fie na okan abakosem na o my ahintasem ahodo na o share the life experience because on na edi kan pass asene so atena se ache on enim ye nananom na o kan bi kire ye ano mo da nwumre sorry ebe collapse that system no tie nei no majority of you don't know your history of your family. You don't know your family lineage. You don't know anything about your grandparents, your great-great-grandparents, what they did. The impact they made in your families. You don't know. Your heads are full of Abraham, Jacob, Isaac, Daniel, Mary, Martha, abodamsem. Your hairs are full of that. But about no one cast our family lineage, and the name Swama will show up baby, what be ya? And as about show up what Pia, you don't know. It is the work of the church. The role of the church they play in slavery. I'm a be swatch around. Now it became a business venture. Say yetimi nya nkrofo ni nyina ama enenu o ma ba be good and sorry dey ni. E dey na don be yebiem. We have nothing to do with them. Let us keep on brainwashing them. Let us keep on feeding them with the same story. It is story baako. Ya ka kire mo saa from 19 kodowo Bible baako pro ya repeating stories e wo mu saa na ye ka kire wo saa nti mu wie da. You go school from JHS 1 to JHS 3. Akiola, you wie from toe to toe, you wie ni akọ exams ni akọ. You go school, you wie Akiola, math, science, your book where you share, you wie ni aye ho exams ni akọ. Bible baako, what share the same story over and the same quotation over and over and over and over. Sa una na cancel ba be di echire sa, papa di echire sa, usu di echire sa, ti mu wie. Big Joe, as well, who is the new pope, black or white? Abra yebe yi pope nankasa no. There is two scenarios a omudi yi pope no. The scenario is say enwusie black epia e kire se enya pope. Wankasa mu nsua de. Se enwusie black epia tie o so mu yi pope na in getting or voting or coming up with a pope no. Se enwusie tuntum pia e kire se enya pope. Se enwusie fita pia e kire se enya pope. Na upese musie fita pie ni ekwa nipa tuntum so ni pope. Mwankasa mu nsua de. Epa cho mu pope amu organ ha ni pope skinny, okay? Mu manage ne saa. Mu pope amu organ ha ni pope skinny. Mu kwekura ne mu yie na mu hwahwa no. Mu amfa na ni mu nya fam. Woni ni mu pope amu okrom ha pope skinny. Pope skinny respect senior. Ai Ghana for mumu pope amu okrom ha ni pope skinny. Two scenarios no mudi yi pope no. Se yebe yi pope na enwu adenti na omanye ni se wusie fita pia e kere se yenya pope. Na mum se wusie fit tuntum pia kere se yenya pope adentira. Ana mo for different colors anye. Na black and white. Ti se wusie tuntum pia e kere se yenya pope. Musie fita pia e kire se enya pope. Jesus movie na wo behwe ye no so a abribia no say Satan na abonsam a e tuntum. But say fita na se kokko a e Jesus. Wo wiase a wo ba yi wo hu bofo Saturday tuntum da ana bofo a we tuntum da abofo a mani ti a e dia brainwash mo amunim nyina mu hu mo da ye mu nyina owi wo dankasa wi fufuo wi kokonta wie koda o simaso da ye hu bofo omu nyina efita enwi gu omo ho remo moyi mina na bi ba ifo bi me so da ya na me ne ewiematumfo kun ewiematumfo no mo ba in what color be ka je tuntum. This is how wayama bibini adwene na bodam. Da bodam. This is how ayabo bibini adwene ne dam. It is a uba baby samisofa. Do we have a new pope? Is he white or black no? Before mo dey any hope. I be before mo dey any hope. That is why you guys were hoping you guys were hoping say bibi ni ba be pope no. You guys mo dey any hope. Don't dream of getting there. Who ye bibi ni na say who this fraternity who Roman to say Ghana ni ya openi friend say Texan appear texting and I say opening by any day of fight with all due respect to him, not to disrespect him. But the obeti nyako high and say obewo Vatican ho na wakwakuji jaomu na ama be before so more feel say you are represented over there. Say the beya mubeko so ato asum was a fraternity nim the Roman fraternity nim mubeko so ato akoso awom na mo kakra mo de mo wo soro ho no mo contributions e free Africa e ko room na akoso akoso akọ so mo anya ne saa mpeke mo heads ni bi free Africa ha amfiri Ghana ha sei amfa anko Vatican ho anko fikasie ba anko ka mo ho amoma anko ye ebedi akirefo an di akire nkurokura ayi mo ba ka say asede mo ba feel neglected ha mo ba feel say the asede that sumna mo no Roman Empire no kra mfa obo bi amamo ana say the Roman fraternity no kra value mo ana say encounter mo value mo enti de mo ba ye ne say mo heads of state ana say mo leaders or mo heads in the Roman Empire churches na wa Africa ha say no he ba ku bia so okay wo bra na mo ani age afre ye pani ba ko so nko ka omo ho Vatican na nko ka omo ho Rome na mo so ya afre ba ko na mo so mo ani age ye wo pani ba ko no so Rome na mo ani age na mo ato akoso na mo dim na mo adwene ye mo se mo ka ho mo nka ho enye mo ade mo so mo de ne mo so mo ahemfo mo wo mo man mu ha se mo so mo fo bo ne ni de mo gamanche mumfo bu ne ni die ma no mu popu no oti kokko so oti kuru re krawre ne brawre nwoma so opem so nyame kase na mbo nya na mama mu so wono so mu popu no mumfo bu ne ni die ma no yana northern ahemfo mu popu ne omo mumfo bu ne ni die ma omo uko Volta region Togbe siri Togbe afede yenso ye popu ne omo yenfo bu ne ni die ma omo uko nzema nyame kese uko central region yenso ya hemfo ahodo a omodeda ye man mu hase Apostle Dr. Kodosafo ye pope ne Kodosafo I mean His Royal Highness Apostle Dr. Kodosafo engineer me bo dia mama muso yenso ye pope no yenfo bori ani die ma no yes me kan okra kira mo na inferiority complex here be before death. You always want Bruni to validate you to validate yourself, you to value yourself. Na Roman na mo ni de na Roman na mo na mu koba ye fa mo nya hwe de ye de mo ya ne se mo kakra mo be contribute na apa because the Roman Empire is the richest institution and their richness comes from motakudu monsempo na mo contribute from the continent all over the common no. Yes. It's about time we say musua de na make asema be si asem so sa nsori na di kan be bad da no because say at the end of the day adodode ani sika be ba asori no mu nyina e be call abrofo no ho because I want headquarters no wo eno na ma bi before na wo mu no bi one baako start for omo ho adwene ti we na obeya me wadoma chede bese me adoma chede ne achede ne tena sa asori we mu a at the end of the day adodode e be fi asori no mu ababia nyina e be call headquarters me nya madoma chede ne so emfaso bia sa na chede amesu nya me afre me nya me afre me ti e ka sama chiram de nam so ai ne yaba benya millions of men of God de nam so ai ne yaba benya millions of churches in our country, in our societies, in our communities, go back to their roots. They were all in these churches. No new Roman, no be Anglican, no be Methodist, no be Presby. We all went to these churches. And then but along the line, many realize say, asori aye womu ya jisika bia na kwa headquarters na kwa bruchiri asori aye womu ya jisika bia na kwa headquarters na kwa bruchiri debi ni pabe didi enti we na be ya no afachiri ho nyame afre no nyame afre afati na asori na ukona mu na fa boy na hoji nyame ma na ho debi ono so ko bi ne bank account Wonusu ko bie ne bank account. Onu so agene de. Di nyame afre no wa afa kire ho. We na bebu okọ Methodist o. Oso wa adoma chede. Na adoma chede ne so otimi hye nkom. Na adoma chede ne so otimi hu niema, otimi hu bibi. Na do mache den se otimi preachi. Na do mache den se otimi kan asem amaneto nipa koma so. Na do mache den se otimi say yade in their own whatever way. Party na Methodist nim, party na Roman nim, party na Anglican nim, party na Methodist nim we. Yabi sikanya no do dey nyina beko headquarters. Man must survive. No fa chire ho. Akwatene dey. That is why you need millions of churches. Bia ene adani adwumasua. Ene die adani adwumasua. Wona also nanam sofo bi na asia na sa osu nya quotation yensa na bi fa unzu trima. Na so afa ahyɛ tattoo ko ho. Na so afa ahyɛ tattoo ko ho. Nso abu kef. Akope one plot bi wo ho. Aba abatansi so. Yebe yi wudi na aye ubedidi. So, me pese wunyanti asiye, the role of these churches in Africa and up to today, the reason why they are still here, enye nkwaje bi no hono pama wo, enye heavy bi ano de woko, there be a business purpose. Say the beya empire ne beko so timagina na survival no. Ye be hia nipa ehu sika na etimi aboa. Awie na djuma. Ye value mu fa mo nye hwe. Na to talk of say ye ma mu be ye pope, it will never happen. And you see that. This is how they need that utiri mu a. Ye feel utiri mu ne. A brasso. Say bibi man so start value near my try ho hia. Yes, so start value. Yes, ye priest ahodo ayewo. Me ka yes ye priest enye baza wala afo we mu. Lawrence Mensa said the Roman Empire did not die. It was changed into a church. That's it. Ye ka priest enye baza wala afo we mu. Ebi. Ene upe se hu priesthood na wo te priesthood asia. Agise me de wo kliko. Anasa gbozume. Na mama wa na wakote how e ka se priesthood. Enya asofo no mo gina ho no mo de mo ye mo solid mo nye priesthood. Mo ye adwumayefo. Mo enso experience no mo nso know how kakra wo ho no. Ana mo nso e de abie church no mo didi hu. That is not priesthood. Debi. Misheda kliko agbozume teaching high priest at Roma. Omukọ said the niyama happen said the priesthood sit here kusua ni nyina. Betene no yem value. Ana omo so nya de a omo prese nipa hu omo nti no. Omo hye omo wankwana no omo ye omo de. Because I no nya de a de koye campaign e de akotwe dom debi. The traditional priesthood, the original priesthood, the African priesthood, omo nya advert, omo nye dede, omo nkoye campaign. Ti 90% of spiritualists ahodo a omo ninam radio ni TV so ye dede advert nyina e fake. Ukodi a kire na obi kobu obu kwa. Asofo ene omagi multi TV so ayema 05357 ho ahwani me wa habra ho ahwani me wa habra omu nyina ya zanfo dwadie no mudie. The authentic true traditional priesthood omu nya advert. They are just performing their duties as a priest. Oba omu nchen a how they have to assist you, they will assist you. They are there. They don't make noise. But we don't value them. We don't respect them. That is why we don't hear of them. Now we don't hear them. And they know they are painting a betray no any day. Hey, Pope, we need to be behind any of the priests I know in even Kleko. Pope, don't go there. Only Pope nankasa yali I didn't go hospital. O telahanum na ubi nada. Eti misrabi before a brasso sɛ wɔ sɛ yɛtumi sua adeɛ te nneɛma ase na yɛgyae sɛ abere biara no yɛtwɛn sɛ Kwasi Buroni nhyɛ yɛn animonyam dabi yɛnkasa nso yɛnhyɛ yɛn nso yɛn ho animonyam yɛnkasa yɛnhyɛ yɛn ho animonyam woyɛ nipa woyɛ aberanteɛ na wotie me it's about time wankasa nso elevate yourself abrabɔ no start toto nneɛma yie start position ho na ma wankasa wo mu so na elevate yourself than sɛ abere biara wote hɔ de wo nsa hyɛ wo dam refa mu twɛn sɛ obi na ɛmba elevate wo no ebia nipa no wonwie mbra no na wayɛ akɔkora na sɛ wayɛ mmerɛ na wobewu a no ti wayi ase ɛna obetimi abɛbɔ nsa but na wonni hɔ a obehu obi na bɛgye sansa abɔdeɛ na di but wote ase yɛ ahoɔden wɔ hɔ yi yɛ adwumadene yɛ ntotoyɛ yie na elevate wo ho na wo nso value yourself value yourself you to put yourself around the table. Don't always sit under the table for you to be picking the leftovers. You to put yourself around the table. Value yourself. Respect yourself so that others will respect you. Carry yourself very well. Work hard. Make money. Learn knowledge. Seek wisdom and understanding so that you don't become the meat on the chopping board. Am I speaking to somebody? My name is Ofaya, the Nation Uncle. This is what I brought here this evening. In case a person will share something with us, you can also request and I'll pick you. So Wahana say, oh, Shemina say, oh, baby can say what Tiemena de Maka in will be the other upper. You can also request and I'll pick you, okay? Yeah, if you have something here and you want to add up, just request, I'll pick you. The opposite or the conversation will be just request and I'll pick you. So video one here from the beginning. I'll be premiering it on YouTube, on the Nation Uncle TV on YouTube. Shannon, so I'll be premiering this video on YouTube on the Nation Uncle TV on YouTube. To bet me ako YouTube now ako search for the Nation Uncle on YouTube. No subscriber. I'll be premiering this on YouTube. Elvis Bodochia. So my name is Elvis. Thank you. Rasmi Utemenga.
Hey, Ofaya. Name. It's not catch you.
Rasmi Utemenga.
And the thing, what's it?
Mr. Miton Kakle.
Name. Mafio.
Long time.
Yes, it's this year. Yeah, yes, it's this year.
This year.
Mabojuma. And I'm Master. Hey, what's that? Oh.
Yeah, so more.
Tamai, Obojuma. That's
You be me too. Don't worry, you be sure. Maminko, Century, Utemenga.
Yeah, me never talk. What you mean, Camilla?
What the Mukla, be some 40, Empo.
Yeah, me dear mention. Now, me dear one say, up to now, I say, yeah, no, me nim the high argument. Seriously, the Uncle ya actually up to now, still now, the argument and go for any as we be as almost pay. Ediana, yeah, may you not mean you, seriously. I see Papa no you know na Ghana for ni bia be ye na video na omo hwema yes Ghana ni no chance na because what na match na mo asemu oh wono ya do ye bibi san profu we be di e boni sei wa dwen so do o de wo bibi ne ba besi so na wo be do believe you omo ananso wo be de wo be ka de na atro I mean, you know, I'm in Tiazio. Like, Massa, some go for money to me, or Munias, or Monta Wasem, or Murias no more, or person who him. So what I say, it's in the way beyond forget to woman, their way. So what I say, now, maybe the Medina woman, Tiasi, and our Solina. And a more merry and Massa, Sunday man, a chum the dada, a chum my check, a nimbrimun, Massa. I say Juma, baby, and here. And now, Solenes are Solena Maqua, Fasobianiso. Massa, Fasobianiso, Ucum Cruma, me, Crame also. ɔmo na de asɔre brɛ ɔmo na be fire nkoa saa nkɔfo ba asɔre si me mfikyiri me dan amete na efi amete no asɔre si hɔ ɔmo nte sɛ yɛ to no nkora hɔ Sunday kɔhɛ nkɔkorafo ne mmorɔfo de kɔ hɔ abrante bia no hɔ te asɔre de bia so kɔ asɔre nso yɛ de agye atani ase ne yɛ brɛ ne to tino de kaka no be so no nkɔfo omni forget sɛ ɔmo mpe ni mahwe nti yɛn tena ba bi yɛn nwene ho me da ase
Ken, no tell me, Ken, be your mic, you know.
Yes, sir. Money Juma. And edi na odi ato ho so no. I won say ya na so utie mi a meka. Nation uncle. Yeah, nation uncle ntino. Adwuma na odi ato ho so ana odoma nkoma oba ade no so no. Ebeka ho ana de wo ka bia no. Yenso no a yedi wachi na ye abanse uncle de ye pinu ye tie wasam na at the same time no ye famu adwene de waso ana entie ni nyina ne se ahun se enema atia ama ye bibifo no enti se yen no a sebi odoma nkoma ama ya adwene na ye sorry no se ya fight adwene bi na ya come together na ye nya one umbrella under one umbrella ye nhunu hwan ne hwan enti bohu se asensem no ya na ase ye kagu enti said ye kai no areho ewiase esre abibifo but ye no enam se tini yo enam se ye ni ahwehwe ewo ye fie mu na ye hunu ye ho ewo ahwehwe ni mu no nti no enu nti na de areho no at the same time no enye ya areho so uduru kumase abontene oba oton niema wodwom ukoni fie a masa wo entoma agudie ba wode kopie no so wodwom ho ne ho tantantan adentira wosi wo kodwom enti no ye no ye presenti ewiase yenti ewiase anase adebo no yenti ase enti yama eniema bi a eye adepa ewo se eye die no na ase yese no anase ye ma no ese anase ye ma ebinum no because ye ni adebo abrofo efiri yemu ewiase nyina bet efiri yemu ye ni adebo etise woti Ghana na usiesie wo dem anase sebi obi afiri mu na China ni aye plastic flower aba wo krom na wakoto na odi koye saa nema no eye den na wa woti asase a enye odoma nkoma ato nsuo ama flower no esisi wa fichire didn't na woti sika koto flower you see yanti nema ase ye hunu adebo ase yanti no ama ase ni yo bia ye bia no abeye sebe make us get Jimmy, but also Ghana for no kind of one case and a sebe yeah, not Mezania, Marcella, Miniwa Godro because Jimmy, what have you?
Because I say asem no kura yen to sebi. Yes, you be kan to sebi. Tio, yes, asem no kura yen to sebi. Me so me be kan no kura ti be na be to sebi. Enti ko no kura.
Na, oh say and the crazy who cancel na one problem ni say and yen no a one wapen no cray hunu and a yo problem upon some four wompe ye dear no all these regions na abedi and semono and ye be entraw all these regions no and abedi and semona abejon fa and ye be entraw eye on se tamana ye na nanom no ewo ho no na kro ani ayibia no na tumi ne e control ayi no enti wa adwene nye wo honhom bone ne yesi twawasu ya pamo enti tamo a saade no ekoso no na yepiepia abonsamfo no eko nkontia ne nkrobi su no saafo no ne dane wo mo ho a omde soko yeti abonsam so yet de oba no se wati abonsam so no ono ani bonsam no aye pamo no you see but womudi be fry ni ama ya hunu ama ya dwene ankoso enti ni se nipa no we se oyoba wo a ona eje wawo obi a wo ni bone obi a wo hu bone wo ama nipa na je wawo akora no so automatic no osesa akora de shebra na meboa you see ana se wo kodas wa so da mu so a ono ana akora no ye de to na so se ye kodi even say yesi aduru enase sa abonsamfo ne sori edika kodi even say dance na omakoka ewrade wonim se na me di me be se ade ono ne oni problem o wo de koka wasem abrante a wasi so a wo pe brabo koka wasem o ka wieye no na omo aridu omo chen FBI CIA FBI no en sorry no mu no ana wo ti wo di wasem no ko wieye no maje wa brabo en koso ne ana koso atira you see ana omo di ekuti aye but adwene no emma ye hunu se e wo se ye dane ye ho because woman no abeye dodo enti ene Ghana agrada abese abeti asore you see onodom Ghana for what make say Ghana is a Christian country. Who told you Ghana is a demon country? Anything na Ghana even se wonam kroma trotro nam kromu no se wotnam ne se wotimi ko dru fi asomje se sa trotro na wo say entwa honam a now efes what the nyame ase adintra because of minor tenasi aka say trotro no a efes ye ne wa country mu no kaya anya 10 years e wa brochire enfama Ghana. You see what the banso a problem ana trotro na wo oman mu no hwede se de sitie enti hwan na share samra no adwene eye adwuma da bi ohene enti odi maminya mondi dwuma tam no ye ha tam no kodra enti na mi ja wo no nyi sara ke megina so oba ade nananom enka ho ensem bi ewo wo mframam me no ever say was ye kasa
okay mate
yempe brede nkasa
mate
yo oba ade nananom kan ho
medase pa mamenko my last caller of the day Lord Ebi what me can my last caller of the day mamenko Lord Ebi Lord unmute your mic no obon say mic no I was here but mic no so na unmute na nkasa Lord Ebi what me can Lord Ebi, what you can? Lord Ebi, Timenka. I was here, Mummy fan so ha. A Nediano, Yamfa, and Nediano so ha. I think, sir, China so ya Friday, China de Minesho Cemetery, but Saturday, Sunday, Meba me yedi komo baby or hoa, Meba me yedi. And tea, a nay, and Koma, a why a bedin Saturday, and they say European Union. Oma soldier for Abagana. Ghana, I think last week. And they Yakodako sorry ya. The American government, America, and so Magana 12 armored cars. Say engine yemfa and protect your northern border also. So keep in touch on this platform. If everybody have a pieces and common name Germana yet the Yakoswasi. Etimidase, so we better now team here. Mediano fire, the Nation Anchor. Oko platforms in now, so I just type the Nation Anchor. On YouTube is the Nation Anchor TV. On Facebook is Ofire, the Nation Anchor. On TikTok is the Nation Anchor or Ofire. Just search search for these platforms on all these platforms, and then follow and become part of our community where we think deep, we share ideas, we learn, we understand what is going on in Ghana, on the continent, Africa, and at large on the whole continent. May we say the name Kamfo Jace I Care at the amount. Oh, Ghana, and now if you are going to Abba, I will have problem with your phone. Open baby, the Aquamama service. Just go to Jace I Care. Or more, Kwabina, Aboom Junction, opposite the Shell filling station. I want a Jace I Care. Abron sign is one. Jace I Care. Oh, Abron sign or one so. Number ya may Obama with a number no. Na friend. Open phone at 2 atom. Open phone accessories at 2 atom. Open slightly used UK iPhone atom. Open brand new iPhone atom. All the iPhones. Say iPhone 16, say 15, 14, 12, 120. Emubia. Just contact this number 026 73 700 10 026 73 700 10. Contact them now. The best of phones and the best of service. I'm a fan so ha. Ebeshia. Bedamunina say. Piao.